What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I have certain plays that I'm kind of a big fan of, and every time I'm looking for like a gem, I always look for those ones that I can kind of start from the beginning and grow with. But I want to see ones that show initiative, that show that they have security, that show protection, that show that they love the community that's behind it and love the investors so much more than they love their own pockets. They love their own revenue, right? Because the more that they care about investors, the better the overall investment experience is for you guys, and the better the project actually is. So Lucky's Leprecoin is one of those, right? It is a meme play that could possibly be a really, really big player in the game, a huge game changer in the game that I'm very, very excited for and can't wait to see what they end up being in the bull market. I just hope they get on enough exchanges before the bull market happens so that they can absolutely flourish, can't speak, or thrive. I tried to put the two words together, flourish and thrive, so they can absolutely flourish and they could thrive in that bull market. So let's go ahead and talk about Lucky's Leprecoin in this video, the different things that are going on right now, the prices that they're at, the amount of volume that they're seeing, all of that stuff. And I think we do need to look at this a lot closer because it could be something that where we start from the bottom and then we're here, right? Literally out of the screen, all the way to a whole nother level where Lucky's Leprecoin can be worth so much more. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Rumble, make sure you guys follow me on Rumble. Now, also, don't forget about my link for Margex down below. If you guys want to partner with Margex or be a part of Margex, we are a partner with Margex on the channel. And they do leverage trading. So if you guys are interested in leverage trading, you can trade with leverage up to 100x leverage, which honestly, it does have its flaws because you're trading with money that is not 100% yours. So make sure you protect yourself, and you're doing it with caution, and you understand that you have to be disciplined within trading because it is something you want to learn how to do, because honestly everyone that's wealthy is not using their own money in order to make that money, in order to make their money work for them. They do it strategically, and if you have a good process to where you can make money, then go ahead and do that. I've recently turned $98 into $143, and I want to continue to grow that into higher and higher levels, 100% here, 100% there, but in due time. I truly don't understand it, so I'm taking measures in order to understand it a little bit more. But let's take this time to talk about Lucky's Leprecoin. This is a play that I invested in, what was it, about a month and a half ago, 2 months or something, and it ended up blowing up. I talked about it, ended up moving from like an $80,000 market cap all the way up to like a $2 million market cap. So it really pushed up, and you saw a lot of people that were hype around this, a lot of people that saw this as an investment opportunity. But as you see with things that pump up too fast, it did come down a little bit. But then right after it came back down, it ended up pumping up again to about $1.7 million again. So it was like, it was crazy to see those two pumps happen in a row, and now it's sitting lower than the $1 million mark, but it definitely still is higher than where it was at the $80,000 mark, right? So let's talk about this. Let's go into Lucky's Leprecoin. Let's show you what's new and also what the price is actually doing. So let's start with the price. Let's start with the update there, and then we'll get into anything new that they do have. So currently we're looking at Lucky's Leprecoin. That's down 2.7%, 2.8%. If you wanted to round up, you're looking at 7881, and it's at a $604,000 market cap. So not a crazy market cap by any means. It's something to where you're starting, where you're still at the bottom and looking to push on up. But the good thing is that they were making these moves. They made a couple of moves. They showed me their security. They showed me everything that they have to offer, and it honestly looked very appealing to me for something that's really just starting out. So you do have a $318,000 market cap day, which is down about 1.4%, but also is not a crazy amount. You would hope to have, a lot more volume, but with more exchanges comes more volume. You do see that this has all the supply introduced, which is 711 billion Lucky's Leprecoin. That's here. Today, you can see the movement and how this has dropped a little bit. In the last 7 days, it's up 38%. In the last month, it's up 9.5%. In the last year, it's up 441%. While it did end up increasing all the way up to this point where you saw the market cap, it's not going to tell you, but the market cap was up at a 1.6 or almost or 1.7, 1.8 million dollar market cap, very close to like a $2 million market cap, and then increased again after dropping down, increased again, and you could see that stair stepping or kind of just level up in the just constant acceleration, constant increasing within the position. But it's up 441% over the year, which is absolutely great for this play. Now, if we look at the markets that it's available on, it's currently available on Uniswap, 2Bit, Bitconomy Exchange, Coinstore, Tokepi. It's on these platforms, which are smaller platforms. They're not the bigger platforms right now, but they're looking to make those moves into some of these bigger platforms. And they just had a recent listing. That came across my Twitter, which I reached out to them and was like, hey, could you do a listing to them or for them? But they already listed them. So that's great to see that they did that within this day. Great minds think alike, right? So Coinin has now listed Lucky's LP, which is another smaller exchange. They have like 10,000 followers, but it's a smaller exchange and they're looking to list them and, see that trading that's going through there. And hopefully we can see, Lucky's Leprecoin flourish and get on maybe a tier 2 exchange and a tier 3 exchange or a tier 1 exchange and an S tier exchange. You never really know what this could be because while it is a meme coin and it's supposed to live off that meme of the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, it still has the ability to grow a lot more and has my full support behind it. Because I like what they are doing. I like the team. I've talked to the team members multiple times. And, it's something where it has that security. It has that thing that I haven't seen with any project, right? 100 out of 100 on the sniff score. They're funding it not through taxes, but through their own pockets, putting their own hard-earned money. It's like you going to a business and knowing that was grown based off of them putting their own hard-earned money into it. It feels different. It feels like they love the business a lot more. And that's exactly what you're seeing here, that they love the position. They love the project a lot more than what others will do it if they didn't have the money or if they had the money funded to them or they had, others that did come out and was just like, all right, well, we're gonna support this, I guess, in a way. Or having a tax or something like that. But anyways, Lucky's LP, definitely a good play in my opinion. I'm sticking strong with it. And I can't wait until they get on some tier 2 exchanges. And hopefully we see this pump up, this push to other exchanges before the bull market happens. Because I think Lucky's LP would be a really, really good play. It has that meme ability to it and can go very far. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are also in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex down below if you want to start trading on Margex. They only offer like maybe 40 different coins or 20 or something like that, different coins. But you can trade on margin up to 100x. Shiba Inu would be 25. XRP would be 50. Bitcoin would be 100x that you can have if you wanted to trade within leverage. But again, be careful because I want you guys to do this the safest way possible and make sure that you guys are learning about leverage and learning about trading a lot more without risking everything that you possibly own. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.